9 top rules to get six-pack abs at home. Exercise and diet. Do you want to get six-pack abs without going to the gym? Well, we have good news for you because it's possible to get shredded abs by doing the right exercises at home and maintaining a good diet. Whether you're aiming to achieve your fitness goals or you want to look good in a swimsuit, it's all possible by doing just a few modifications in your daily routine. While there's no way to get a six-pack overnight, regular exercise and a healthy diet can help put you on the fast track. Develop an ab workout routine with a variety of activities, such as crunches and planks. Your muscles need fuel, and you might need to burn fat to see results, so be sure to stick to a healthy, balanced diet. Getting a six-pack requires dedication and hard work, but you don't have to hit the gym 7 days a week or become a professional bodybuilder to do so. Instead, follow these rules, and you'll be all set to achieve your fitness goals. Rule number 1. Eat enough protein. Protein may help reduce calorie intake, as well as decrease body weight and fat. It can also help repair and rebuild muscle tissues and preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Out of all the macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fat, lean protein has the highest thermogenic effect on the body. That makes it the most valuable macronutrient of all because your body burns a ton of calories, breaking it down. This is one of the main reasons why professional athletes and competitive bodybuilders eat a high lean protein diet. Rule number 2. Try high-intensity interval training. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, are an exercise that involves alternating between intense bursts of activity and short recovery periods. HIIT keeps your heart rate up and increases fat burning. Adding HIIT into your routine can boost weight loss and make it even easier to get six-pack abs. One study shows that young men who perform HIIT training for 20 minutes 3 times per week lost an average of 4.4 pounds or 2 kilograms and saw a 17% decrease in belly fat over 12 weeks. Rule number 3. Eat post-workout carbs. Most people have been falsely led to believe that carbohydrates are wrong and make you fat. This is a myth that needs to be busted. Of course, overeating anything will make you gain weight. Still, natural grain or starchy carbs such as sweet potatoes, brown rice, and oatmeal are pretty beneficial in your six-pack quest, especially when consumed post-workout. When you eat carbs post-workout, they have the slightest chance of turning into body fat. Rule number 4. Stay hydrated. Studies show that drinking water can temporarily increase metabolism, reduce appetite, and increase weight loss to help you lose stubborn belly fat. Water is crucial to just about everything aspect of health. It plays a role in everything from waste removal to temperature regulation. Staying well hydrated may also help bump up your metabolism, burn extra belly fat, and make it easier to get a set of six-pack abs. Rule number 5. Focus on your diet. To burn fat and get six-pack abs, it's essential to eat a balanced diet that is made up of protein, healthy fats, and some carbohydrates. Protein helps form the building blocks of muscle and is probably the essential macronutrient of them all, mainly because your body burns a ton of calories digesting protein. Calculating the right amount of carbohydrates to eat can be tricky, but an excellent strategy to use it is to eat most of your carbs post-workout. When you intake carbs post-workout, your body quickly absorbs the carbs directly into the muscle tissue, promoting growth. Post-workout carbs also help your muscles recover faster, which will give you better results faster. Rule 6. Stop doing thousands of crunches. Compound, multi-joint, total body movements and promote a much bigger muscle-building response than crunches and sit-ups ever will. It is entirely pointless to waste an hour of your time doing hundreds of useless crunches and sit-ups when that hour could be spent doing exercises that are more productive for fat loss. Do ab workouts for about 20 minutes 2 or 3 times per week. There is just no reason to work abs any more than this. Here's a list of great compound exercises that you should have in your workout program. Barbell squat, dumbbell lunges, barbell deadlift, seated barbell military press, dips, chest version, close grip barbell bench press, pull-ups, barbell bench press medium grip, and push-ups. Rule 7. Use smarter cardio methods. Studies show that cardio methods can reduce belly fat, which can help you get six-pack abs. One review found that the more cardio people did, the more belly fat they lost. You've probably heard that the best way to burn fat is to do long-duration cardio at a slow to medium pace. This fat loss method is decent, but there's a much better way. I suggest doing interval workouts combined with abdominal exercises. During the active recovery period of your interval workout, perform an ab exercise. For example, if you're making interval sprints on a stationary bike or treadmill, run for 30 seconds at your maximum speed. Hop off the machine and immediately perform a set of 20 exercise ball crunches. Then, get back on the machine and crank it back up again. Repeat 5 to 8 times. During this interval session, you can throw in various ab exercises, such as reverse crunches, planks, etc. Rule number 8. Stop eating processed food. Heavily processed food like chips, cookies, crackers, and convenience foods are typically high in calories, carbs, fat, and sodium. These foods are typically low in key nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Eliminating these unhealthy junk foods from your diet and swapping them for whole foods can increase weight loss, reducing belly fat, and help you achieve a set of six-pack abs. Rule number 9. Fill up on fiber. Eating fiber can help keep you feeling full and may help protect against weight gain and fat accumulation. Adding more high-fiber foods in your diet is one of the simplest methods for increasing weight loss and achieving six-pack abs. Soluble fiber moves through the gastrointestinal tract undigested and can help slow the stomach emptying to make you feel fuller for longer. These were the 9 rules that you should follow now, so let's wrap it up. Conclusion. The key to getting rock-hard six-pack abs is to be sure to focus on your diet while incorporating multi-joint compound exercises and smart cardio into your workout routine. This is the long-lost secret you must use if you want to succeed in your six-pack quest. If you like our video, press the like button and hit subscribe button. Check out our other videos on health and fitness. See you in our next video.